How to turn off voicemail on iOS 18. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off your voicemail on iOS 18. So let's begin. First, open up your settings. After you open your settings, you will need to navigate to phones. So to do that, if you search it right here and if you don't find it, you will need to go to the apps section that is on the bottom of the settings. After you tap on apps, you will need to search for phones. You can use this alphabet to just go to the P section, and after you do, you will see phone. Tap on it. Now after you tap on it, you will need to scroll down, and after you scroll down, you will see an option that says live voicemail. So under calls, you will see live voicemails, and you need to tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will just need to toggle that button off, and after you toggle that button off, your live voicemail will get turned off, and it's that simple. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.